Thank you for keeping it KTN. We continue with the landmark petition by former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua challenging his impeachment. It will be heard from today through to Wednesday. The case could set a major precedent on the impeachment process and the limits of executive and legislative power. We're crossing over now to the Milimani Law Courts to listen in.
His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua amended and served his re-amended petition dated 13th of August 2025, in which further re-amended petition, he abandoned the prayer for reinstatement. I wish, again, my lords, your leadership, to reiterate that position on record. My lords, the prayers of the first petitioner are set out in prayers A to R in the said further amended petition, which, as I have said, is dated 13th of August 2025. The core of those prayers can be summarized as follows. One, the quashing, if this court agrees with our submissions, the quashing of the unconstitutional impeachment. Number two, payment of the remuneration he would have otherwise earned, plus, of course, all the benefits as per the law, plus damages. And finally, for the period of 2.5 years that His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua served as the second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, it is our submission that Article 151 of the Constitution is fully applicable, and I invite your lordships and your leadership to have a look at that Article 151 when you retire.
We're following that story, of course, as we see what happens by Wednesday. Community elders, interreligious